Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you trying to get rid of dark spots? Are you trying to fade away dark spots on your face, on your skin, anywhere it is on your body? Watch this video till the end and I'll be showing you the home remedy you can use to get rid of dark spots. This is my face before. Yes, I had battled with dark spots in the past, but not anymore. So let's get right into it. The first thing you will need is to get a clean plate. You will need lemon for it. So we'll be using lemon because it has a lot of skin benefit. It has a lightening effect. Lemon juice has astringent, which helps to get rid of acne and all that. So but before I cut this lemon, I'll go ahead and heat it on the ground as to soften it. Hitting it on the ground will just soften it so that once you squeeze it, the juice will easily come out. Okay, so that's it. Go ahead and cut the lemon and squeeze out some amount of it into the plate. I squeezed in about 2 tablespoons of lemon into the plate. So guys, as I was saying, lemon has lightening effect. So applying lemon juice on your face or lemon peel on your face will help to eliminate dark spots. It will help to fade away dark spots. Okay, disclaimer please, I know that some people have very sensitive skin and lemon is very acidic. So if you have sensitive skin, before you apply this treatment, please make a patch test on your palm, on your hand, somewhere on your hand. Make a patch test before applying it all over your face or all over your body. Okay, so that's it. That is if you have a sensitive skin. Otherwise, you can, in fact, it's always good to make a patch test after preparing each treatment. Okay, so after that, I went ahead and I added 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Yeah, I added turmeric because turmeric also helps to fade away dark spot. It helps to brighten the skin. So after adding the turmeric, the next thing to add is honey. Go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of original honey. Honey helps to moisturize the skin. Honey helps to lock in moisture to the skin. Honey helps a lot on the skin. If you can lay your hands on original honey, it will help a lot. At night, applying just honey, just original honey on your face at night will help to smoothen your face. It will help to give you this, bright radiance on your skin, on your face. So after adding the honey, you go ahead and mix it very well. After mixing, the treatment is ready. So guys, how do you use this treatment? This treatment is very easy to use. After preparing it, the next thing you need is get cotton wool. Use this cotton wool, dip it into the treatment and use it to clean your face. Use it to clean your knees. If you have dark knees, use it to to clean your elbow. Use it to clean everywhere you have dark spots. Okay, so this treatment will help to fade away dark spots, be it on your face, on your knee, or on your elbow. So after scrubbing with it, you go ahead and wash it out. After washing it out, you go ahead and apply Vaseline on your knee or on your elbow. Guys, that's one thing I noticed. If you're having a very dry skin, in fact, the tendency of you developing dark knees and dark knuckles is very high. So if you have a very dry skin, it's always good to moisturize. If you can't afford moisturizing creams, the easiest thing to use to moisturize is Vaseline. Just get original Blue Seal Vaseline. After applying this treatment, not just after applying it, always apply it on your knee, on your elbows, on your knuckles. It will help to hydrate those areas that they won't, dry out. So that is it, guys. This treatment will help to eliminate dark spots on the face, on the elbow, on the knee. Okay, that's it. I'll see you all in my next one. Please, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Okay guys, I will see you all in my next one. For now, bye. For the remaining one, you can store in the fridge and use it the next day. Okay, bye.